Good evening, everyone. Hope y'all have had a good Sunday. We've had some scattered showers and thunderstorms around this afternoon. It was very loud storms here in the metro when they moved through about 4 or 5 o'clock. A lot of lightning, some gusty winds with some of those storms, but you noticed over the past several hours they moved off towards the north and east, slowly started to fizzle out, and now we are just left with some steady showers, a few over the city of Jackson right now, some light showers up into Madison County as well. Holmes County, you are seeing these up into Atala and Leake County, and some of those scattered storms continuing all the way down into Wayne County as well. At this point, not seeing any lightning, just some steady downpours. And as we continue moving throughout the next several hours, I expect drier conditions for everyone. By midnight, mostly dry conditions, and the clouds are also going to start clearing out as we head into Monday morning. The rain did cool us down. We're in the 70s here in Jackson, 73 degrees, 72 in Carthage, 75 in Durant, 74 in Prentiss. A little warmer down towards the Pine Belt where the rain missed them, 86 in Hattiesburg, that current temperature. And we're all going to stay mild as we move throughout the overnight hours. Temperatures in the low 70s. It's going to remain muggy. 74 in the capital city, 74 for Hattiesburg, 72 for Carthage. And then as we go through tomorrow morning, starting out dry, but by the time we get to the afternoon, a few more of those clouds building in, and then potentially some isolated thunderstorms. Now, I don't expect the coverage tomorrow to be anywhere as widespread as what we saw today, but there will be that potential for some summertime isolated thunderstorms, just typically what you would expect whenever we get some of those thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon. Those will fizzle out past sunset, expecting dry conditions as you head into your early Tuesday morning. But for tomorrow, since the rain chances are going to be lower, I expect the temperatures to be just a couple of degrees warmer. We made it up to 91 today. Forecasting 94 for Jackson tomorrow, 93 in Carthage, 95 in Hattiesburg. And as our rain chances stay fairly low, at least to start the work week in the metro, just the potential for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, I do expect those temperatures to be on the rise. But then as we head towards the second half of this upcoming work week, that's when our rain chances will increase, and I expect those temperatures to slowly start dropping again. But I'm expecting temperatures to peak in the mid-90s by Wednesday, and then drop back down into the low 90s as we head towards the weekend. But each day, dew points will remain in the mid-70s. It's likely that for tomorrow we will have heat index values exceeding 105 degrees. Even more likely that will happen as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday. So some dangerous heat is on the way. Be sure that if you work outside that you're giving yourself some breaks, drinking plenty of water, because if it's over 100 degrees, that is when it can be pretty dangerous if you're just not giving yourself the breaks that you need or drinking the water that you should be drinking. For our 8-day, it's going to remain, really, it hasn't changed much over the past several days. I mean, we've got the potential for those isolated storms each afternoon. Mainly dry conditions, though, I'm expecting Monday through Wednesday. But then, as we head into the weekend, Thursday through the weekend, that's when we'll get those better rain chances. High temperatures in the low to mid-90s for the first half of the week, dropping to the low 90s for the second half of the week. But it's going to be feeling like the triple digits each day. All right, I hope y'all have a good rest of this Sunday. Meteorologist Megan Hanna will be here tomorrow morning with your next weather update. But I will be here tonight on the CW at 9 and WJTV at 10. Hope y'all have a good rest of today and a great work week ahead.